this is the last example for inequations. So as you can see, we've made the algebra a little bit more complex in this case, so we've got all sorts of different things going on at once, but we're going to take each one in turn, alright? So we're going to look at the left hand side first, and we need to break this bracket out. Now, we've got 3 take away 5. We don't do that first because remember, BODMAS, order of operations, we must do the brackets first of all. So this time we're going to look, and it's negative 5 multiplied by that bracket. So what we've got next is, we've got 3 minus 5x minus 20. Okay, now where did I get that from? Well, the 3 just stays where it is because that's not being taken away from anything yet, okay, because we're doing brackets first. It's a negative 5 that's outside the bracket, so we're really looking at that expansion of the bracket there. Okay, so it's negative 5 times x, negative 5x, negative 5 times positive 4 is negative 20, and the 3 just stays where it is. Alright, so we've done the left hand side. We can see that there's nothing to do to the right hand side for just now, but what we're going to have to do now is collect like terms. So all the x's are going to go over here, all the numbers are going to go over there. We just have to be careful of the signs when we do that. Alright, so negative 5x stays where it is, and negative 15x is coming over to join it. Why is it negative 15x? Because it's been positive 15x over here, and we're moving it over the other side of the inequality this time, and it's becoming negative 15x. So remember, no switching of inequality signs at the moment. We're going to just keep it as it is. So positive 2 over this side, and also the 3 is coming over, so that's going to be negative 3, and the negative 20 is coming over, so it's going to be positive 20 on the right hand side. So now that we've got all our like terms together, we're going to simplify for the next line. Okay, so negative 5x, take away 15x, is negative 20x, and we're less than or equal to, see, everything's staying the same, and notice how I'm trying to keep my inequality signs in a line, just like I would with algebra. I'm going to try and keep equal signs in a line, try and keep these in a line as well. Just keeps everything neater and more logical, and you can decide where everything's going and see where everything's going a little bit easier. So we've got 2 take away 3, well that's negative 1, then add 20, that's going to be 19. So we're going to have one of these ones again that doesn't work out exactly, but that's okay. We're dividing by negative 20. This is really important because it means, remember, that we're going to switch the inequality sign around. So it's going to be 19 over negative 20, and that is going to be our final answer. Squeak pen, like that. Okay, so just to go through it one more time, you can rewind me, break the brackets, be careful of this, collect like terms, do our simplification and divide, but remember, when you divide by a negative, you must switch that sign around. And remember, when you don't divide by a negative, the sign stays as it is. Okay, so that's the main learning point for that one. Thank you very much, guys.